Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keyboard. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keyboard, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about Monopoly Go. Then this list of app and file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.